Hey guys, my name is Paul Foster from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to chat with you a bit about the pros and cons of recycling brick. So here we have an 80s home where we removed the old brick arches and have renovated the exterior to give it a far more modern appearance. And during that journey we decided to reuse the existing brick and some of the brick details that were modified. So we took the original brick arches out. We did retain some of the little wall that runs along the entryway, and we wanted to reincorporate some brick back along the garage, the corners of the garage, but not along the whole face. So by redoing that, we had to decide, do we buy new brick to replace this stuff, or shall we reuse existing? So in this case, we opted to recycle it or reuse it. So to do that was fairly labor intensive. You had to break all the brick off carefully, chip off all the mortar, and prepare it for reuse. In the end, the price of reusing the brick was about the same as buying new brick from scratch, but in this case we wanted to make sure that the texture of the brick matched for the stuff that was being retained in the new areas that we're reinstalling it. So in the end the price is about the same, again just far more labor intensive to prepare the old brick for reinstallation. So give that some consideration when you're doing a brick project. If you have old brick, maybe you can reuse it. It can still look great, looks like new, but you know the story behind it, and it feels good. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.